chat. Got using a bit. It's currently 9:04, and the current is stuck right now. I wouldn't even say stuck. This nigga truck died.
Shit, I'm stuck, nigga.
His truck died, so he just out here. His truck died with no cables.
They would have been my.
Yeah, though, y'all check out the shit. We're gonna go Belicious on the feet. We're gonna go black jeans. And we went black polo tee with red polo jacket.
The navy polo jacket, you know what I'm saying? Polo motherfucker.
Yeah. We got a little red right here.
Yeah.
Explain the fit real quick.
Shit. I go foes. I fuck with them the most.
You got foes?
Yeah.
Alright.
With the black jeans, cause shit,
Black jeans.
black is the only way to go. I got the red motherfucker on. I ain't know what I was paying for. The bitch say Motor Mississippi Cycles. What the fuck it mean? I don't know.
Hell yeah.
Shit, I don't know. Just the fit. That's how I come tonight.
So that's about what? A 150 fit?
About 135.
135?
Yeah.
Type shit. Yeah, though. By the time I ate a fat ass steak today, and I'm still full. I sound full. I'm still hungry.
I'm looking for a lady.
Hell no. Somebody play too much chat waiting on my sister to pull out doing some cables for this man. Hey, hurry up and do that, bro. I don't get that bit twisted.
Huh?
I don't get that bit twisted.
This is private property.
What happened?
This is private property.
Shit, man. With this big ass train up there talking about private property with all that goddamn. Who say, bro?
Fuck, I'll take one for the fly. Pay me one.
Everybody, huh?
No, I'm just sitting here.
Each is on.
Man.
Get zooted and booted.
I'm telling you, be straight back, stamped it, long live flip.
Hold on,
pussy.
Hold on, bro. It big.
Straight to the head, check.
I don't know if I ain't gonna lie, I ain't putting my shit in the camera. We look like bitches.
Yeah.
Hey, she don't know what she doing. This bitch just giving it up.
Yeah, y'all know Kool-Aid the hell, big dog.
Molly Capson.
Yeah. I gotta tell you, then, check. We get the nigga shit working first time. Nigga cut the truck off, and the bitch died again. The bitch died again.
He ain't let me get any twin. Nigga, the fucking last time, bro. I swear that ain't happened, bro. Because my nigga had hella charge on that house. Shit, I fucking let that bitch off.
You got the new rad car and shit.
Literally, 48K miles on that bitch. It shouldn't be shit wrong.
That damn near my sister right there. No sister, never mind. No, not.
It shouldn't be shit wrong with this goddamn truck.
I don't mean that because the miles she got bad battery,
This be here for me, strictly wood.
For them mine, yeah. But put a whole damn thing, a whole roll of that bit right there inside that hoe.
Spliff?
Yeah.
I know that.
Yeah.
That spliff right there.
Yeah.
Dude, wood spliff just different.
Them bitches hit.
Wood, dude. But them guts and them bitches
Check.
different. Man, but I'm saying, I ain't about to go out that shit. Hell no. Nah.
Bro, who said I put
Is that gonna be? He just said shit. He put the whole motherfucking roll in there.
Motherfucking sarcastic.
I know you. I'm like, damn, boy, lungs ain't hitting on shit.
But lungs ain't hitting on nothing. Nothing.
I can't see that.
We pop out with them blocks out now. Everybody wants 6.
Hey, you still gonna shrink a nigga twin? You still be ready to shrink
I'm trying to get that Glock. I shot a nigga.
Damn, Cam.
Huh? I ain't say it, dude. I ain't say y'all, bitch. If I had to pick it, it'd be Ride and P. Face one of you niggas.
You gonna fight? I mean, damn. You gonna shank them or you gonna?
I'm gonna face one of them bitches.
Rod and Peter might say they're gonna face. He said they're gonna face you. So if y'all watching this or if y'all even watch this,
wolfing, nigga, we gonna see how hard you wolfing that bitch.
Get at it. Y'all, we just prologue into the nigga truck. Be like alive, turn 5. I got some Don in the car. Don Julio, Acfolio.
He got some Donnie in the car.
Yes, sir. Be real quick though, check something out. And it be no power. Cause there's a lot of these hoes in this bitch. God damn.
Man, he talking about he hitting up. Ooh, that gonna be so booked though. We hit the crib.
So? Who cares, man?
Fuck it. How this shit going, how the world going, we ball. Until we drop.
Mm-hmm.
No cap.
Jump down.
Said I was done.
Yes.
What done became
Another
drink. So every fancy truck you see, they think they got a booster can.
No, nigga, every white person I see.
You think all white people just supposed to have booster can?
I bet that.
Every black person supposed to have a booster can. I'm fucking around about me a battery pack.
He just happened to have.
And he had a pickup truck.
Literally, he just so happened to have. But that shit rare.
He like rare.
That shit rare, man.
He like that shit rare.
But it's all good.
He like this shit.
Give me something to be had on bitches in the back of my truck.
You gonna buy your battery pack, little bro?
Yeah.
I ain't know I had to waste the wood for this shit.
Yeah.
What shit?
The press of wood, so.
I could have gave you a little song to put in that bitch.
But you fucking didn't, bro.
Yeah, I ain't
fucking
know.
didn't.
You should have scratched that hoe.
You made that bitch short ahead. That be like a dog. Not even a dog, a pinky. I ain't worried the fucking a rock.
Man, he rolled a uncle.
Man, cool. Let me tell you something, nigga. I bet they had got a pair. I stamped this shit.
Nah, they like they in the family truck tonight.
Yeah.
They ain't got no booster.
This one said they in the family truck. Oh God, they not in the work, motherfucker.
How they be rolling all the way 10, 15 minutes though. I ain't gonna count.
What'd you say, fool?
Should hear me the first time, Goofy. What you doing? Then they be marinated, ain't?
What I'm gonna have to smoke on the way home?
Damn, my bad.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna stick around at this hoe though. I gotta get some weed. And I gotta get some wood.
So, what you mean?
Oh shit! Alright, check. System pulled up. Who gonna boost the car? Red, you finna boost his shit off? You finna boost the car? Check. Let me see your fit. Do what crazy was, dude. Yeah, tough. Took out the fit check. We could have matched. For homecoming. You would have saved that trip. I ain't got a pink. I got a black and white one. Well, I ain't got pink.
Put you down.
Cables. Oh yeah, yes sir. Yes sir.
What's up? Dang.
Hey Lid, I bag your car, son. They finna boost this junk. Every time. This side.
Right here, yeah.
Going on. Mark.
Yes,
sir.
sir. Well, yeah.
Yeah, third time.
Put them up. I got a clear cut.
Man, I'm gonna whoop your ass when we get done.
What we just say? We lose it.
I stamp it. I can't even get this bit back up. Alright. I'm taking this bit out, leaving it out this time.
It cable. I mean, I ain't probably loose. I don't loose though.
How did bitch come back down?
The front foot shit. Yeah. Huh?
Huh? Nah. Huh? She got that shit on. You better stop playing with her. Goddamn shit. She got $1,000 bid on right now. Shit.
That's how my feet was gonna look, just like that. If I would have got that whole shit with the shoe, that it was gonna look just like that.
Get with JR. She put this shit on for you.
Hey, I'm putting you down.
Where you think she get it from?
Not you.
Put you on.
You got
Me.
this shit from her?
Yeah, you know you. Fucking jail.
You a friend. I would rather turn that down.
How you trying to get out? What the fuck? You be hard as a motherfucker. I'm putting you down.
You snapping up? So you just wasting the fit, basically. Or you just getting friend just to
Yeah, we at the liquor store, man.
You holding it wrong. You holding it wrong. Why your hand like that? Oh, just record me. I need to put you on camera and don't need to be shot. So record me. That's all you got to do.
Damn. He'll want me. Damn.
Medium. Extra small. So if I would have got say again. Don't be a female.
How much?
$35.
Woo!
Don't make it the truck.
me an airplane ball and see that we call it.
He said a what?
Airplane ball and see that.
Airplane ball.
Airplane ball.
I ain't never heard that one.
Yeah. I got you, bro.
I don't ask for much.
Yeah.
Just a little
I
something.
ain't gonna ask for shit, actually.
I
Good for y'all.
fuck with you, bro. I fuck with you.
Yeah, we keep following. Get to. Yeah, probably got sit down there and charge for a second, let it sit.
Where you going from?
Giannis? Alright, chat. I got the truck started up. Appreciate y'all. What's your name? My name John. John. Sam. Y'all take care now. Y'all be careful. You too. Yeah, though. Finna get into now, man. No. That nigga so quiet as hell. Probably gonna need another boost out when you get back to the rip.
Yeah.
You turn it off.
Nah, they been charged by then. They been charged by
I don't know.
I need to go to the liquor store, dog.
Right here, dude.
But I ain't got the shit I want. The one I'm trying to go to, you got the 21.
It's my wholesale.
Yeah, I had to sit by my room. Nobody can hit that bitch. That why your shit part like this VIP?
Shit, a bit.
I like that though.
Yeah, they motherfucker shining like a motherfucker.
You got tag on there?
Who?
You got tag on there?
Yeah. See, he ain't got some liquor. Walmart chat. Shit.
That whole name, Kamikaze.
Kamikaze, that's the name of
Yeah. Kamikaze. They be tapping chest a little bit, okay?
tired of fuck.
Tired of fuck.
Yeah.
Shit just getting started.
Ain't shit to do.
Shit.
It's something to do.
It's something
It's something to do. If you want to do that, we can do that now.
Something to do now.
It's just shit. Do we want to risk that?
Shit.
I don't get no fuck.
It's just my gun in the car.
You said what?
It's just my gun in the car.
Yeah, you can't leave that bit out now. Now, shit. It should have gone down there.
Walmart.
Trying to use my code. Alright, y'all, man. We finna write this video right here, man. My nigga got here. He car jacked up. Quick little short video. You know, something to get out, something to give. As y'all know, man, I got a long week next week, man. We're gonna be in Nashville 4 days, free master choice. We're gonna get that bit up to 400 subs, man.
Homecoming on the Riverside.
Homecoming. Get that bit up to like 400 subs, bro. Really trying to get. I just need 20 subscribers to get 400. Really trying to get that shit before our homecoming.
Man, we gonna
If I
get
drop,
this shit. Get this shit popping, man.
If I drop, I'm starting and shit. I know I can make like 4 or 5 videos while I'm out, though. While I'm out.
Y'all having fun? Y'all actually turn?
Yeah.
So now we gonna actually turn.
Y'all lying.
I ain't gonna lie, my actual turn job was in the 8.
Concert?
Been on 4 trips, and that was the only one that been hitting us shit this year.
Hey, they basically been out rolling in my car.
I mean, it fingerprints on the house already anyway.
I can tell you that one, chat. Yeah, though.
That bitch been not rolling, hit the car.
That bitch been not rolling, hit the car.
Like,
Yeah, though, man. We finna write this video right here, but if y'all new, man, make sure y'all smash that like button, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, you feel me? Drop down below, let me know what y'all want to see, man. We go ballistics on the feet. We go ballistics on the feet, you feel me? Catch y'all in the next. We out.